We've just been sitting here. I got my laptop right here. He's got his laptop right there. And we just basically like crossing ideas and showing one another what we like to do on our spare time. So like I like creating video content. He likes to do 3D modeling. You made a Nemo. Making different things, especially Pokemon and stuff, which is cool. And he does keychains and stuff like that for the SRT4 community. But not only that, he offers the neons and what is that?
Those window brackets.
Window brackets.
Yeah.
So he 3D prints those and produces those.
Coupe.
Yeah, we'll get into that in a few seconds. But like, where was I going with it? Josh is over here setting up this small printer so he can go ahead and print a good set of these window guides. Now, this is a good one. This is essentially what it's gonna look like, but this is a bad one which failed about right here.
This one started to a little bit, but it's not that bad.
No, it's not that bad at all.
That one.
Essentially, all you really care about is the guide and the bracket. Those are the failed ones.
Yeah. Got halfway and my filament got stuck.
I love how this thing is. It's so small and digital and so awesome. And now what's it doing? Heating up?
Preheating. I got it.
So it's preheating. I'm assuming it's at 194 Celsius. So we're gonna do some lime green.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, boy.
My favorite. I mean, I printed the neon keychain in this, but it's supposed to be yellow, but
It works.
I like lime green.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be dope once it's done. Hopefully it doesn't fail.
Thanks for jinxing it.
No, it's just calibrating right now. I think that neon is so dope. It's gonna be a super dope color once all printed.
446.
Wow, 446 degrees, which is 230 degrees Celsius. So it's already laying.
Yeah,
That's so cool. It looks like a spider web when it comes down.
Now it's going to do its first layer.
Look how thin it is.
Yeah. It's 0.15 millimeter resolution.
That's, you know that because you designed it.
Yeah, well, and
Are you a genius?
No.
So Josh just took this off. He's actually resetting it so he can put the other two pieces on for this, which he's going to show you in a second.
Make these pieces.
So those two pieces for that spot and that spot, I believe. That way the rail can slide. Those are the last two pieces. 75%. It's so cool. So 240 degrees Celsius. Now again, he's printing these pieces right here. And then you can see there's 3 holes here, 3 holes there. So you get the gist. You can see the reel slowly turning, and it's turning on these rollers that I just noticed. So that's also 3D printed.
Alright guys, so we just pulled this off the printer here. I'm gonna do a quick assembly, show you guys how I put them together. They'll look like this when it's finished. And I offer them in all kinds of different colors. Check me out on Instagram and Facebook at JoshTosh Creations. So let's get into this.
Right there. Just do your thing.
Cool. Sometimes I gotta drill these things out to get it to fit, dude. It's a 9/64 bit that I have to take to these to get them to make the bolts go through. Nice, see that?
Pretty much just update the print, because
yeah,
instead of having to take the drill bit, you might as well just
solid.
update the
yeah.
print.
Yeah, I should update the print. So,
Yeah, just do that.
But that's what I've been doing.
So the past day or 2 days, we've been collaborating and making, I guess, new products,
Yeah.
right? New products. I just keep on thinking, like, God, do this. And he might be like, oh, we should do that. And we just come up with other thoughts to,
Yeah,
because
it's been dope.
2 minds are better than 1, obviously. We all know that.
It's always good too when like somebody wants a product, but then I just keep having to send it back to them, back and forth.
Improvements
and
are always
updating
good.
it. But when then we're working it on together, then you got the idea, I got the idea. and
Collaboration.
then yeah. So I'm just throwing these bolts through here and tighten it down. Got this side done. This material is PETG. We can put the full name on the screen. Polyethylene something or other, terephthalate glycol. So it's really good for temperature resistance. Prints pretty easy. ABS is another good one for this type of material that you would use in a car, but I definitely don't want to use PLA. If you use PLA, it'll melt really easily and not going to be good. So this material I found has worked really good for these. It's really durable. And I also ship super lube here. Put a little bit in here for the channels. Works great. Right there.
It comes fully assembled with a pack of lube. We all need lube, super lube, synthetic grease with PTFE.
Yep.
So, you know, it has all different types of colors. You just go ahead and DM them via Instagram or Facebook.
Yeah, they're listed on Facebook as a buy it now, and then when you purchase them, you can just send me the color, or I'll reach out to you. I also come with keychains, so
He's really into the neons. He just has a new PTGT
Yeah.
he's working on outside and the back.
yeah, and the Conquest.
Yeah, Conquest.
Waiting for
Instagram. Go to his personal Instagram to go check that out, you guys.
JoshTosh92. Just got those sitting flush there for the window. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw the nylock nuts on here.
And how long did those 3 pieces together take?
Together, it's about 6 hours for the print. 4.5 for
Just
this.
for one
and
side.
1.5 for this. Yep. And this is the driver's side. Yep.
Gosh. And that's without defects.
Yeah.
Now, there's sometimes that the printer
Yeah,
might
this
have
one.
defects, and
That one had a defect there, so.
hence why
Yeah,
we went and made you guys a video
Yeah.
on what he does. And that's
that's
some
the passenger
filament
side.
stuff right there, I guess. He got a punch out, which
Yeah.
could punch out. You see
Support
how
material.
it, yeah, support material. Breaks pretty easy.
Yeah, so that's what it looks like once it's all cleaned out.
Yeah.
So the window nuts that push into the window that the bolts go through, they'll recess into that. So that's why you have to have that.
That's pretty
and then the washer nut bolt. Yeah, bolt goes into there. So
Washer nut assembly
yeah.
piece that goes on them. So you guys, everything will be linked in the description. All of my videos have links in the description. Now, if I'm lacking, slacking, whatever in any of my videos, leave a comment at the bottom of the video and let me know what I do not have in the description. It helps you guys and it helps me. Everything I have in the description is most likely an affiliate program type link. Cars Deluxe Design, he lets me use my affiliate link on my HVAC deletes the little vents. I came up with another product, another 3D print that I pushed off to Cars Deluxe Design to perfect and make and ship out to me to bring to you guys. So if you guys are interested in that link, at the top of my Instagram, there's a affiliate link going to his eBay store. Check his eBay store out also. Check his soon to be eBay store because I'm trying to get him to.
I have one, I just need to list them. It's McIntosh 92, but I'll link it, yeah.
Yeah, he'll send me the link. He always sends me links. I get like 15 links since then.
Yeah.
But hopefully you guys like the video. I gotta go out and work on my car to make you guys more video content. I got this cool inverter I want to put in the car. I don't know how well it's gonna come out, but yeah, we're gonna try. I'm actually taking on my passenger seat and all that stuff right now. He's gonna help me. Follow him on Facebook, Instagram, and go ahead and follow me. All my links are in the description. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. I gotta get out to my car. Y'all be easy and stay tuned. Peace.